Right, good morning. It is day 3 and there's a little bit of rain, but we're getting breakfast going here.
So Owen's cooking up a storm in the kitchen over here, and we're going to see the glacier today, go to the Diamond Beach. And then I think we're going to see if there's anything else around there, because I think that's kind of as far as we can go.
We might go further, we shall see. So we've just arrived at the ice lagoon. Oh my god. Right. On our way to Ice Beach now. This looks pretty cool as well. Drone O'Keneal will have his day. Put it in here and here. Fucking set up the drone. Go for it.
Ben's got a picture.
So I have them here, I've got the cars. We pulled in off the road again to another place called, what is it, Loki?
No, that one. Fajararglaguluhufer. No, seriously. Okay.
Okay, you try and say it and then we'll show the
Fajararglaguluhufer. That's actually what it is. Fajararglaguluhufer.
Yeah, no arguments there. Fairness. I'm gonna just... Yeah, absolutely.
But it's probably like
this is... There it is there. For anyone wondering. Like wild. I think that's one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
That's like unmissable.
That is,
and like that's not on any
and it's
of the,
free. It's free.
That's not on like any like top 5 things to do. Like
that was ridiculous.
And like we looked up loads of like 5-day itinerary things. And like if I was doing that, I'd have that on the way. It's like 15 minutes.
That was so good, like literally.
Yeah.